Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is distress. It is pronounced di-stress, and it is spelt D-I-S-T-R-E-S-S. Think di and then the word stress. Distress has a few meanings. The first is extreme anxiety, sorrow, or pain. Here, it is used as a noun. The second is to cause someone anxiety, sorrow, or pain. Here, it's used as a verb. And the third, to give an object marks of age or wear. Here, it's used as a verb. For example, you could say, to his distress, he noticed he was being followed. Here, it's used as a noun. I was distressed after my dog ran away. Here, it is used as a verb. I distressed my jeans by ripping them. And here, it is used as a verb. Distress comes from the old French destresser, meaning afflict or distress, the same as today. Can you think of anything that might make you distressed? Take a moment to stop and think right now. Any ideas? Distress can be both a noun and a verb. For example, you could say, when the boat caught on fire, the captain issued a distress call, which uses it as a noun. Or, I was distressed by the bad grade I received on the test, which uses it as a verb. Distress is defined in the dictionary as a feeling of extreme worry, sadness, or pain. To make someone feel very upset or worried. To give furniture or clothing simulated marks of age and wear. Distress's synonyms include anguish, suffering, pain, agony, affliction, torment, torture, sorrow, grief, upset, sadden, trouble, worry, perturb, disturb, age, condition, weather, and damage. Antonyms include happiness, comfort, calm, soothe, please, comforting, restore, and fix. See if you can notice anyone in distress today. Why not see if you can help them? It's never nice to be distressed. Impress your friends and family today by using this new word, distress. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.